Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's April 26, 2017. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got some severe thunderstorms moving through southeast Missouri. Take a look at the radar loop, and we see this one cell here in Bollinger County about to enter Cape Girardeau County. High winds and hail likely with that storm. You see how it's bowing out a little bit. That's an indication that it may have some winds gusting over 55 miles per hour. We take a look at this other storm moving through St. Genevieve County, Missouri, Perry County, Missouri, crossing over now into Randolph County, Illinois. Now, both of these storms are moving northeast at about 45 miles per hour. Both of these storms have had a history of some wind damage and quarter-size hail. Now, these storms will continue to push into southern Illinois. We'll have to keep an eye out here in Jackson County, Union County over the next 30 minutes to an hour as these storms continue to move northeast. It looks like the heaviest part of this second cell may be staying over the northern half of Cape Girardeau County versus the south, but we do have some development further southward as well. We'll have to keep an eye on that. These storms are moving into an unstable atmosphere, and the front may slow down this afternoon. If that happens, we could have training thunderstorms. That's when storms repeatedly move over the same areas. You can get very heavy rain when that occurs. Now, all of you in West Kentucky, Northwest Tennessee, and the Boot Heel, keeping an eye back here in Arkansas, some additional thunderstorms pushing northeast, and these will move into the Boot Heel later this afternoon and evening, also western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee. You also see a few storms trying to form ahead of the line that may continue into the afternoon hours as well. Those of you asking about West Kentucky, Northwest Tennessee, you probably got some time before the more intense or heavy storms move into the area, unless something just happens to develop quickly over the next hour or so. Otherwise, we'll have to wait a little while these storms move out of Arkansas into the Boot Heel and then eventually into Illinois, West Kentucky, and Tennessee. Later today, we could have anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain if the front does slow down. It does look like it might slow down once it gets into southern Illinois and West Kentucky, and we'll have to keep an eye on that. Can't rule out some reports of flash flooding, especially in those flood-prone areas that normally have problems. Now, we're going to have more thunderstorms this week. We do have a severe weather threat on Friday night. Maybe Saturday will remain mostly dry with more storms Saturday night, and then into Sunday is when the main front moves into the area, and that should clear us out then. Hopefully we'll dry out a little bit by Monday. Between now and then, 4 to 8 inches of rain likely across parts of northern Arkansas into southern Missouri, eastern Missouri. Anywhere from 2 to 4 inches possible over southern Illinois, locally higher amounts. And then West Kentucky and Tennessee probably looking at 1 to 3 inches. Some of this will depend on where the front stalls out over the next few days. If the front's a little further south or north, then we'll need to adjust those rainfall totals. The bottom line is a lot of rain coming for our area over the next 4 or 5 days. We may have some more flash flood warnings, flood watches being issued by different weather service offices. Stay alert. You can find me on Facebook for questions and answer under Bo Dotson Weather on Facebook, Twitter, Bo Dotson. You can sign up for the text messages at BoDotsonWeather.com.